In case of pavement subgrades, whether it's a flexible pavement or a rigid pavement, we have to see what kind of materials are being used. The subgrade has to be compacted to a certain degree according to the recommended specifications, depending on the lab test results. And the materials are compacted according to the specifications using different type of rollers. Cohesive soils are difficult to compact because the pore water pressures build up and they do not get dissipated quickly as the free draining granular materials. So we use, as the schematic represents, a sheep's foot type of roller.